intelligent design is an empirical argument. It is based on observation and normal modes of reasoning that what we see in life and other aspects of nature is best explained as being designed, purposely made. Some people say, yeah, well, that sounds pretty philosophical to me, but it's not really. I have often show in lectures a picture of a mousetrap to illustrate a couple of points. But one point is that when you look at a mousetrap, a normal mechanical mousetrap with a spring and a hammer and wooden base and stuff, you immediately see, well, this was designed. And how do you know that? Well, it turns out that the way we decide that something was designed, that is made or arranged by an intelligent agent, is when we see a number of parts that are set in relationship to each other so that they can perform something that the parts themselves, the separated parts, do not do. And that is, of course, true with a mousetrap, and it's also true with many things in living systems. I talk about them in my book, little outboard motors that spin and other systems in the cell. Many people are surprised to learn that, in fact, the cell is run by machines, literally machines made of molecules. This is not controversial. I'm not the one calling machines. That's the common term in the literature. And if you look in the dictionary, pretty much the definition of a machine is a system where a number of parts that do different jobs get together to perform a function. So that's literally how we conclude design. Intelligent design is based on observation of the molecular machinery of life, plus our normal reasoning that when we see parts that are arranged to do complex tasks, we conclude that it was purposefully designed. So ID theory is wholly scientific and just based on physical evidence and normal logic.